The Analytical and Environmental Chemistry Group of the Royal Australian Chemical Institute had pleasure in hosting the Healthy Waterways 2.0, one-day, in-person, symposium on the 1st of August 2023. This event was held at the CSIRO, NMI Building at Lindfield, Sydney, Australia. Presenters and attendees were represented from a diverse background, from industries, academia and government regulatory bodies. Networking and information dissemination remain as important as ever on such a crucial issue. The accompanying short video presentation highlights the event. Enjoy.